Assalamualaikum and have a nice day to both of our honor panel, TS Dr. Zulkifli bin Ibrahim and Encik Mazri bin Ibrahim. My name Muhammad Kamil Fitri bin Muhammad FAUZI from 4BEEY. My matrix number is B0818104003. Thanks to Encik Azhar bin Ahmad for helping me in making this project successfully. Today, I would like to present to you about my poster bachelor degree project, which is IoT-based smart security alarm system by using passive infrared sensor. Okay, let's start my project with introduction. Today, the modern home integrate have many convenience of technology. Technology-based home security and automation have become commonplace. House is a residential building, an asset and a place to store wealth as well. Security becomes one of mandatory consideration in keeping the house from undesirable events and accidents. This thing will make our daily life become easier and we will do not think about home always because of this technology. These applications have been researched and developed since the day of the landline phone, but it has become much more effective with the advent of internet-capable mobile device. Passive infrared sensor will sense the movement of an object with 7-meter radius, and Arduino Uno R3 is used to control the entire process of the project. This prototype is designed in such a way that any people interested to sense the passive infrared sensor sense the movement and trigger the output, which is sent a message through the mobile phone. Technically, I have three goals or objectives for this project, which is the first one is to design a project to improve the security system for the residents and office, especially from the burglary cases. Second goal is to develop a monitoring system using IoT for the user of the security system by prototype and simulation. The last but not least, to use Arduino Uno and ESP8266 Wi-Fi shield to run the coding for the PIR sensor and to alert the user through notification. After that, I will discuss about research methodology. For the first figure, it shows the flowchart of the project running. For the flowchart figure, it starts with motion detection from PIR sensor as the input, and then it will go down to the condition which is PIR sensor detect any motion. If the PIR sensor detect the motion, it will go down and the LED will light up and a alert sounds will be produced by the buzzer, and then it will send the notification to the user through the blink application and it will end. If the condition the PIR sensor detect any motion doesn't detect the motion, it will go up back and it will start back again. On the figure 2 show the circuit design of the project. The component that I use for this project are breadboard, Arduino Uno, PIR sensor, buzzer, resistor, LED, and last but not least is ESP8266 Wi-Fi shield. Besides, the fourth point of the project is result discussion. Figure 3 and Figure 4 show the project prototype and blink application. I will describe on how my project works. First, we activate the system, which will cause the burglar to open the door and enter the house. Next, the system will detect the intruder movement. After that, the system will detect the presence of an intruder and activate the buzzer while the LED will light up. Last, the system will send the user a notice via the Blink application and the user will be alerted. From the table below, it shows the result of distant PIR sensor to detect the motion and the time taken for the PIR sensor to detect the motion. From the experimental, I can only detect the motion from 1 meter to 5 meter, but from the theoretical, it can approximately to 7 meters. Maybe it's a little bit different due to the accuracy, sensitivity, range, and outdoor lighting problem. For the time taken, maybe it's not same because of the human error in time taken to the stopwatch. Finally, is conclusion. In conclusion, implementation of this project, which is IoT-based smart security alarm system by using passive infrared sensor, will generate a variety of output such as distance and time taken. Based on the outcome and data analysis, it is possible to achieve that the project have accomplished based on the design objective. Okay, for the better vision and clearer, I will show a video demonstration project that I have provided on the next video.
For the first demonstration video is the circuit design. The components that we'll use in this project are Arduino Uno, Cytron ASP8266 Wi-Fi shield, breadboard, jumper, red LED, PIR sensor, buzzer, and resistor. This is the view project prototype of IoT-based smart security alarm system by using passive infrared sensor. This is the video demonstrate of how my project works. When the system is connected to the supply and the Wi-Fi shield is connected to the Wi-Fi, the PIR sensor will detect the motion in front of it, which is 110-degree cone. When PIR sensor detects the motion, the buzzer will produce sound and the red LED will light up. Then the Wi-Fi shield will send to the smartphone user via Blink application and the user get alert.
That's all from me. Thank you for watching.